Hey guys, welcome to my first ever YouTube video. Today we are going to be making a super simple black salt. Black salt, also known as sal negro, is a banishing salt and is a must-have staple in witchcraft. It works by absorbing negative energies. It is used in spells and rituals involving protection, purification, and dispelling negative influences such as people or spirits. It's often used in dark rituals such as hexes and jinxes. To make this salt, you will need sea salt, black pepper, activated charcoal powder, or ritual ashes from your sage and incense. I personally don't use my ritual ashes for my salt because I find that it gives more of a brownish grayish color. Hashtag aesthetics. All right, let's get started. So today I am using my mortar and pestle, but I'm basically using it as a bowl. You do not need a mortar and pestle for this black salt. I'm just taking my sea salt and adding about 3 scoops to my bowl. That should do it. And then I'm going to grab my activated charcoal powder over here. And I'm just grabbing a little bit because I'm using it basically to color the salt. I'm not necessarily, chucking a whole bunch in there. Off screen, I'm grabbing my black pepper and pouring a little into my hand, and I'm just gonna chuck it in there like so. Boom. And now I'm just mixing everything together. Wasn't that easy? I told you this was a simple one. Because black salt absorbs energy, you should store this finished salt in a sealed container when you're not using it. Salt is one of the most natural forms of magic there is and offers protection, purification, and healing. Black pepper offers protection from negative energy, jealousy, and gossip. Activated charcoal has absorption properties and offers protection against negative energies. The salt we are making today is not to be confused with food-grade black salt, which is used in cuisine. Do not consume this salt, keep it away from your children and pets, and make sure you wash your hands after handling it. You can really enhance this black salt by tweaking this recipe. You can heighten its protective properties by preparing this or leaving this outdoors to charge during a dark moon. A dark moon describes the last visible crescent of a waning moon. You could also make this hoodoo by adding some hot chilies, although I do not recommend you use this version in a ritual bath. Things could get a little heated if you catch my drift. You could add a little rosemary to protect you from harmful people. You could add a little cayenne to dispel anger. However, I wouldn't use the cayenne in a ritual bath either. It could be a little spicy on the bits as well. You could also add some cinnamon for protection against a broken heart and toxic relationships. To dispose of your working black salt, you can bury it in the earth, wash it away into flowing waters, or throw it into the wind away from you. Not at you, because it will just make a mess. Believe it or not, this video took me a few takes and I have a ton left over from filming. If you're interested in just buying some of the salt that I made in this video, please check out my witchy shop on Facebook. I'll link it in the description box down below. If you liked this video and would like to see hopefully more creative ones, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe. You can also follow me on Instagram at luna.moonfall. For a quick video on ways to use black salt, be sure to check out my Instagram. Okay, well that's it for me guys. Even though this was my first video and was super simple, I hope you learned something from it that you can put into practice. If I missed anything, please comment down below to help the community. Merry part, and I'll see you in the next one.